In this module, we are going to talk about role of technological advancement. Changes in communication and transportation systems has altered the ways in which economies operate and cultures interact in the contemporary globalized world. Owing to the sophistication in technological advancements, it has become easier to observe that how economies of the world are being operated and how this communication revolution are making our life easier for interacting with each other. This slide shows that how this social media and other electronic media tools are really getting on our nerves owing to this increased interconnectedness. Shrinking of space and time, that is known as globalization. This is how we are started living in a global village owing to this increased interconnectedness. Telephones, weather, television, and military is dependent on satellites. Tourism and business activities are increased due to less costly air travel. Global efficiency and competitiveness has been increased due to road infrastructure and land transportation. Better cargo handling with modern technology. Because of all this technological sophistication, everything is getting more modern and easy to access. Advances in finances and communication, reduced costs and time of transnational transitions and transactions, regional and global integration has increased incentives for technological development, making our life easier and complex at the same time. Technology has become an integral and indispensable part of development. However, developing countries still lag behind as compared to the Western world. Technology has taken the roles of human labor and hence it attributes to joblessness, alienation of worker, increased capitalism, environmental degradation. These are the complex things which are happening in today's global village.